In this video, I'll show you how to use Wise with Shopify for receiving payouts. Step 1. Set up a Wise business account. Register and verify your Wise business account to obtain local currency account details. Step 2. Access Shopify admin dashboard. Log into your Shopify admin panel using your store credentials. Step 3. Go to Settings, then Payments. Navigate to the Settings section and click on Payments. Step 4. Set up Shopify Payments. Configure Shopify Payments as your payment gateway if not already done. Step 5. Enter Wise account details for payouts. Under the payout settings, input your Wise local account details. This includes your account number, routing number, IBAN, matching the payout currency. Step 6. Save and confirm setup. Save your payout account details and confirm. Shopify will now send payouts directly to your Wise accounts. Step 7. Monitor payouts in Wise. Check your Wise balances to verify incoming payouts from Shopify. Now I have some tips for you. Use Wise local accounts matching Shopify payout currencies to avoid currency conversion fees. Ensure your Shopify store billing country supports Shopify payments with Wise. Regularly reconcile payouts in Wise with Shopify reports for accurate accounting. And that's how you set up a Wise with your Shopify payouts. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll try to help you out.